Hi, I'm Tara Shamus, Marketing Manager Americas for Dormer Pramet. Welcome to our first live. I am the host of Bits and Chips Live, and each episode will feature an expert from the Dormer Pramet team. A fun fact about Dormer Pramet that you may not know, but Dormer started in the UK as Dormer Tools back in 1913, and Pramet originated out of Sunpark in 1951. In other words, the Dormer Pramet brand has a rich heritage and a long history. So before we jump into the episode and talk about exploring the various industries Dormer Pramet serves, allow me to introduce you to the one and only Jordan Grunwald. Jordan is one of our sales engineers located in the Arkansas and Missouri area. So welcome, Jordan.
Hey, how are you, Tara?
I'm great. How are you? All is well?
I'm doing well.
Yes, it's very hot here in Michigan. So this is a great opportunity to talk to you a little bit and get to know a little bit more about your background. So I know you're on the road calling on customers, actually. So I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us today.
Sure.
Can you share your journey and how did you become involved in the field of manufacturing and tooling solutions?
So I started as an apprentice in Chicago, specifically Elk Grove Village, working for an automotive racing engine machine shop and an aerospace manufacturer. I later moved to Southwest Missouri, where I worked for a high production machine shop and tool and die shop where I programmed, set up, and ran various mills, lathes, EDMs, and grinders. I joined Dormer Pramet a year and a half ago to further my career, not only as a machinist, but as a working professional.
So, Jordan, what would you say your approach is when overcoming some of the challenges you see in your role as a sales engineer?
So, the best way I have found to overcome challenges that I face is to cover all of my bases. As you know, the tool itself is not always the issue. It often can be the machine, fixture, or program. So you have to be able to pinpoint where the issue is to provide a solution to the end user. An open mind can always be very valuable as you learn to work with others to solve the problem at hand. Being a good listener and evaluating the situation always helps to find the end solution.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. So, in your mind, what do you think sets Dormer Pramet apart from others?
So, I believe what sets Dormer Pramet apart is our vast product portfolio. We offer over 30,000 products as a standard, and that in itself is by far more than most other cutting tool manufacturers. Dormer specializes in round tools such as high-speed and carbide drills, taps, end mills, and the like, while Pramet manufactures indexable tooling, which includes turning inserts, indexable milling, cutters, drilling, boring, and threading, along with a variety of tooling systems to suit your machine and application.
All good stuff. Thank you for that. And then what would you say, how do you stay updated on the latest advancements? Because, it's always ever evolving, right? So how do you stay
ever evolving
on that? Yeah, it's ever evolving. So how do you stay updated on the technology and the trends?
What's nice about working for Dormer Pramet is that they provide continual training in regards to at least our new products and in relation to our competitors. So I'm also able to stay updated through LinkedIn and various industry magazines such as Modern Machine Shop. And of course, attending the IMTS show will be a key player in seeing what the industry has to offer here in the U.S. as well as the rest of the world. Many projects and innovations are kept hush-hush until large trade shows like the IMTS show, where they are able to fully display at the magnitude these manufacturers are seeking to help launch their new products in a successful way.
No, thank you for sharing that. So do you have any advice you would give to manufacturers who are looking to enhance their processes and improve productivity?
So I would say be willing to look at all aspects of how you are manufacturing the part. What I see most in the field is that there is a lack of proper and efficient fixturing of parts. I believe that there is an order of operations to manufacturing any part, and the correct fixturing can make or break a project. You also need to take into account your machine, along with tooling associated with that machine. Take advantage of your tooling manufacturers, product application guys, or sales engineers. We are in various shops every day, testing, implementing, and providing cost savings. That is our job, to provide our end user with a better tool for the application that will either A, reduce cycle time, or B, provide a cost savings. And most of the time, it is both. So Dormer Pramet has sales engineers strategically located all over the world to provide you with the best service possible. So feel free to reach out. We look forward to working with you.
Awesome, Jordan. Yeah, I totally agree. Reducing cycle time and providing cost savings is very important for sure. So the reason why we're here today, of course, to get to know you, Jordan, but also talk about the industries that we serve as well. So let's dig into railway. So one of the many industries we serve, as you know, is railway. So can you share with us what types of tools that we offer in this industry?
So we at Dormer Pramet focus on these key segments for the railway: new wheel machining, wheel returning, axles, rails, which include stationary and dynamic milling, turnouts, base plates, and wagon components. We have a large offering in terms of milling, turning, hole making, and threading for the railway. This includes many standard and special options to provide the needed features for the end user. Pramet has made over 400 special milling cutters just for switches alone. So Pramet also provides your typical wheel and axle turning inserts, including the LNMX, LNMT, RCMX, RCMT, CNMX, and we also offer a variety of different high-speed and carbide drills, taps, countersinks, and related tools to be a one-source provider to the railroad through Dormer.
Impressive. No, thank you for running through that with us. So what are some of the key features and benefits of these tools, would you say?
So I would say on the Pramet side of things, the benefits are endless. Being able to manufacture the desired component using a proven out special milling cutter made specifically for that profile or feature is what makes Pramet a leader in the railway. Not to mention our large assortment of standard milling and turning inserts with many different grades and chip riggers to choose from to best suit your application. For wheel manufacturing, the LNMX 19 and 30 are very popular, while wheel returning, most tend to use the LNMT 31 for process security. RCMTs and RCMXs are very popular for turning ID diameters of wheels, as well as profiling and OD turning of the axles. In regards to Dormer, we offer a wide range of replaceable headed carbide drills, which is known to everybody as the Hydra drill. The drill ranges as a standard from 15-30 seconds up to 1 5/8 or 12 millimeter up to 42 millimeter. Our Dormer Carbide Force X drills and Performance Shark Taps complement each other in functionality and reliability, and the railway is a great place to implement those tools.
Very cool. Yeah, that's a lot of features and benefits right there. So how does that play into the safety and efficiency of the railway industry, these tools?
So we contribute to this by providing the latest in technological advancements through trials and testing so that our end users get the best tool for the job. In regards to safety, we manufacture the needed inserts to turn the wheel sets to take out any flat spots, scale, rust, and fatigue. This ensures low amounts of noise and resonance, as well as helping the train be able to stop and start easier. We have or can design the needed milling cutter to match the profile of the needed turnout or rail to accommodate reconditioning, as well as manufacturing provide the safest option for the given project.
Nice. All right. Cool. So let's pivot to automotive. Obviously a
Right.
very big industry, especially
Yes,
being in the
very.
Detroit area here myself. So how does Dormer Pramet service customers in the automotive sector?
So regarding automotive, Dormer Pramet offers many great round tool options, including reamers, step drills, counterbores, end mills, burrs, high-speed cobalt and carbide drills, cut and form taps, along with indexable milling cutters and turning inserts.
That's a rather large assortment. So
Yeah.
are there any like special technologies or materials used in the automotive parts?
So yes, there is a lot. So there have been a lot of technological advancements within recent years for high efficiency milling that is tailored to the automotive sector in regards to aluminum and plastic machining. The materials are able to be ran at a very high running, or I'm sorry, the materials are able to be ran at a very high running parameter, which resulting in quicker cycle times than their steel or cast iron counterparts. And Promet makes the PVD coated aluminum milling grade called the M0315 and an uncoated HF7, which both excel in those types of materials. PCD and diamond-like coatings are common within high production aluminum machining facilities that need the tooling to last as long as possible and finish to stay within call-out. So CBM is used to machine cast iron and hard materials, which allows for longer tool life and consistent surface finishes. The majority of my automotive customers in particular have been very happy with our Dormer Cobalt A221 center drills and our A012 and A002 10-tipped high-speed steel jobber drills, along with the A022 10-tip stub drills.
Good. It's good. We want to keep our customers happy by providing the best solutions for their applications. So that's good to hear. So how does Dormer Pramet tools improve vehicle performance and reliability?
Well, in regards to that, our tooling is used by the top vehicle manufacturers in the world, so we are able to provide a standard and we are able to provide a standard and specials to accommodate the task at hand. We have tooling that is used in all aspects of an automobile, including the engine, drivetrain, suspension, frame, and body. Performance and reliability are achieved when you have a good product and rhythm. It's a key to success that many overlook in the consistency of the tooling. We have a very high quality standard, and that showcases our slogan of being simply reliable. And that automotive manufacturers can rely on our tooling day in and day out to perform to a higher standard.
Very cool. So it sounds like we've got the automotive covered. So that's great to hear. Great to hear. So let's pivot over to power generation industry, another industry that we also serve. So can you explain some of the tools designed for power generation applications?
Sure. So in my area, I work with many industry suppliers that help power generation facilities perform efficiently and effectively. Promet provides various copy, high feed, face, and shoulder mills to manufacture the needed components for this industry. Examples of these cutters include our ISR C10 button copy mill, our ISPD 09 high feed mill, our L2S ZP indexable ball nose, and our ISLN12 shoulder mill. Promet also provides turning inserts such as your standard CNMG, TNMG, DNMG, and WNMGs. And this year we released the T8415 along with the year prior, the T8430, which these turning grades have proved to be capable of machining many types of materials, including superalloys, given the appropriate chip breaker. These two grades will certainly exceed your expectations of a general purpose turning insert. Through Dormer and Precision, we offer some of the best carbide, cobalt, and high-speed steel round tools available. A couple tools that I would like to highlight is our new R003 carbide 10-tip jobber drill, along with our A777 cobalt jobber. These two drills are an excellent option when drilling through various steels, stainless, and superalloys. We also offer a multi-application TICN coated Denancy tap. The E697 is a spiral point tap, and the E698 is a spiral flute. These taps are priced extremely well in the market and have shown to do well even in the toughest of applications.
So sounds like a lot of good products available. So please reach out to Jordan or your local sales rep to learn a little bit more about that. But no, thanks, Jordan. Some really good stuff for sure. So what are some of the unique challenges and solutions in manufacturing for this industry?
So one of the primary challenges lies in effectively machining high-strength materials integral to power generation equipment, such as stainless steels, titanium, Inconel, and other high-temperature alloys. These materials require cutting tools that can withstand intense heat, maintain sharpness over prolonged use to meet stringent industry standards. Dormer Pramet addresses these challenges with a diverse range of cutting tools engineered for durability and performance. Our products include high-performance drills, end mills, taps, and inserts, each tailored to excel in specific machining tasks from roughing to intricate finishing operations. These tools are coated and designed to enhance wear resistance, reduce friction, and prolong tool life, thereby optimizing productivity and minimizing downtime in power generation facilities.
Okay, good. Well, I mean, we've got a lot to offer in power generation, so I'm going to ask another question. So what are some of the contributions to energy efficiency and reliability in power generation?
So Dormer Pramet contributes to energy efficiency through power generation in, I would say, these key aspects. So optimized machining processes. So by providing cutting tools specifically designed for power generation applications, Dormer Pramet helps manufacturers achieve higher machining efficiencies. Our tools are engineered to reduce cycle times, improve material removal rates, and minimize scrap, thereby enhancing overall energy efficiency in manufacturing operations. We also use advanced coatings and materials. We incorporate these advanced coating and materials in our cutting tools to reduce friction and heat generation during machining, which leads to lower energy consumption and extended tool life. So improved tool longevity means fewer tool changes, reducing downtime and energy required for tool replacement. Precision and quality. So quality and well-designed tools enable manufacturers to achieve tighter tolerances and superior surface finishes. This precision reduces the need for additional finishing processes, saving energy and resources while maintaining high-quality standards in power production component manufacturing. And it always helps to have technical support, which helps you to optimize your end product. So we offer comprehensive technical support and consultation services and collaborate with manufacturers to optimize running parameters, tool selection, and tool paths. This partnership ensures that energy-intensive processes are streamlined and optimized for maximum efficiency. And then, of course, innovation and sustainability. As part of our commitment to sustainability, Dormer Pramet continually innovates to develop eco-friendly cutting tool solutions. We focus on reducing environmental impact throughout the product lifecycle, from design and manufacturing to disposal, aligning with global efforts towards energy-efficient practices in manufacturing. So through these efforts, we are able to reduce operational cost, improve productivity, and minimize waste.
Great. Yes. Innovation and sustainability is very important to Dormer Pramet. So thank you for highlighting that as well.
Sure.
So what type of Dormer Pramet tools are manufactured for the medical field?
So when I think about the medical field, the first thing that comes to mind, at least for me, are Swiss turn lathes. So Pramet provides many different Swiss holders for your Swiss turn lathes, along with your standard positive inserts. We also have our proprietary X61 internal and external grooving inserts, and great performing indexable threading options as well. As I just mentioned, Pramet makes some of the best chip breakers and grades available in all of your standard positive inserts, including DCMT, CCMT, and TCMT. We also focus heavily on our GL parting and grooving family for Swiss turn machines, which makes parts for the medical manufacturer's life so much easier. The GL series, I personally really like our GL parting and grooving tools. I have had nothing but great success testing against pretty much every manufacturer under the sun, and we have not lost a test yet. And I think that says something about the GL series from Pramet. But so through Dormer, Dormer provides many great options for the medical industry as well. And this includes spot drills, screw machine link drills, and an extensive tab offering. And we also supply a great selection of imperial and metric end mills.
Thank you. So anything you want to add about the precision and safety in the medical part manufacturing field?
Yes, because that is very important for the medical industry. Tools from Dormer Pramet are manufactured according to stringent quality standards and regulatory requirements. We adhere to international certifications and guidelines, ensuring that the tools meet the safety and performance standards necessary for medical device manufacturing. Our tools are designed to achieve tight tolerances and maintain consistent performance, crucial for manufacturing intricate medical components such as implants and surgical instruments. We provide tailored solutions and technical support to medical device manufacturers. Our expertise helps optimize machining processes, select the right tools for specific applications, and address unique challenges in the medical field. Considerations in tool design include features that facilitate easy cleaning and sterilization, supporting the hygiene protocols essential in medical manufacturing environments.
Definitely all very imperative and important when you're talking about the medical industry, for sure. So is there anything else you'd like to add about the importance of the Dormer Pramet tools and medical devices and equipment in general?
Yes, because this is a very important field to me. Our commitment to precision, quality, compliance, innovation, and support makes Dormer Pramet a valued partner in the medical device manufacturing industry. Our tools enable end users to meet the demanding requirements of the healthcare industry, ensuring that medical devices are produced efficiently, safely, and within the highest standards. This allows medical manufacturers to enhance lives by delivering reliable and effective medical solutions and advancements to patients around the world.
I know. All good stuff, Jordan. Thank you so much. So let's shift gears to aerospace, another important industry. Yes, we can't forget about aerospace.
No.
So can you describe some of the Dormer Pramet tools tailored to the aerospace industry?
So, as for the aerospace industry, we are a leading supplier of high-speed cobalt and carbide drills to many of the premier aerospace manufacturers and Tier 1 suppliers. Precision Twist Drill leads the way in our aerospace portfolio through our NAS Jobber, screw machine, and aircraft extension drills. We also offer a wide variety of made-to-order specials that many of the leading aerospace companies take advantage of, as well as made-to-print specials to provide a one-source approach to our end users. Dormer and Precision provide standard tooling such as step drills, spot drills, and deburring tools. These tools are used in various stages of aerospace component manufacturing, ensuring efficiency and precision. We also offer countersinks and counterbores in different sizes and configurations to meet specific aerospace requirements. And Pramet makes many high-performance milling and turning inserts with geometries, grades, and chip breakers designed to tackle the wide range of materials used within this industry.
Good. So, what advanced technologies and materials are used in aerospace parts?
So, I will go through this this list. High-speed steel. Everybody's going to cobalt and carbide, but high-speed steel still seems to be a big component into not only the aerospace industry but many others. So high-speed steel. So we employ high-speed steel in various aerospace tools such as drills, end mills, countersinks, counterbores, and the like. Along with high speed, it offers high wear resistance and toughness, which makes it suitable for general aerospace machining applications. Um, Cobalt. So cobalt tools are utilized for machining tough alloys such as Inconel, titanium, and pre-hardened stainless. Cobalt provides enhanced heat resistance to withstand higher cutting speeds, in turn improving productivity in aerospace manufacturing. Carbide. So we we have a pretty wide range of carbide tooling, especially drills, through Dormer Pramet. Carbide tools are widely used in our lineup due to its superior hardness and wear resistance, along with thermal stability. Carbide drills, end mills, and reamers are essential for machining aerospace materials like titanium alloys and composites. We also apply advanced coatings to our tools. So Dormer Pramet applies these coatings to enhance tool performance and longevity. Some of the common coatings include titanium nitride or TIN. It provides increased hardness and improved wear resistance. You see most of your like high-speed drills are steam tempered. So steam tempering gives a strongly adhering blue oxide surface that acts to retain cutting fluid and prevent chips to tool welding, thereby counteracting the formation of a built-up edge. We also use TICN or titanium carbonitride. It offers enhanced abrasion resistance and allows for higher cutting speeds. And a lot of our end mills actually use TIALN, which is titanium aluminum nitride, delivers superior oxidation resistance and thermal stability, suitable for high temperature machining. We also have PVD and CVD coatings. So it's just another aspect of our coating side. So we utilize PVD, which is physical vapor deposition, and CVD, chemical vapor deposition. On many of our cutting tools, these coatings significantly extend tool life, reduce friction, allow for higher surface footage and feed rates, beneficial for aerospace manufacturing. Another thing I want to touch on is our tool geometry and design. Dormer Pramet incorporates optimized tool geometries and designs for aerospace tooling. These designs enhance cutting tool performance, minimize chatter, and improve surface finish quality, contributing to overall machining efficiency and component accuracy. And last but not least, composite machining solutions. With the increase of composite materials in aerospace, Dormer Pramet develops specialized tools for machining carbon fiber reinforced polymers and other composites. These tools are designed to prevent delamination and ensure precise cutting without compromising the material integrity. So by leveraging these advanced technologies and materials, we enhance the capabilities of our aerospace tooling, enabling manufacturers to achieve higher productivity, superior quality, and increased reliability in the production of critical aerospace components.
Wow. Sounds like we have aerospace covered. That's a lot of stuff you just went through, but all good stuff. All good stuff for sure, for sure. So, shall we talk a little truck and trailer?
That's
the truck and trailer industry. So
that's near and dear to my heart.
Yes, yes. So I'm sure we'll be able to feel the passion, enthusiasm as I continue to ask you some more questions specific to truck and trailer. So what are our product offerings for this industry?
So for the truck and trailer industry, we manufacture specific drills, which includes our precision twist 239 TBT drill. It is the most popular drill bit size. So the most popular drill bit size would be the 9/32, which is primarily used for the floor. We have two great options for this high volume drill for going through the wood floor and steel or aluminum frame. The Precision 239 TBT 9/32 or the Dormer A 176 9/32 F. The F stands for floor. So we manufacture all of your common jobber link drills within the Precision 239 TBT family, which comes in packages of 144 pieces. They come in 144 pieces because these manufacturers go through a lot of drills. There is a lot of hand drilling still involved in the truck and trailer industry. We also offer many stub drill options as well, which can be found under our Precision R40C, R41C, and R42C offering, as well as Dormer's A120 line. In addition to these drills, we also have many reamers available, which, if you didn't know, there is something called a car reamer that is very popular in the truck and trailer industry. Our Dormer B122 car reamer is the industry standard and allows you to enlarge holes and correct misalignments. This is common occurrence if everything is being done by hand, as many manufacturers still rely on a workforce to drill and assemble their trucks and trailers. And through Dormer, we also have a large offering of countersinks and carbide burrs, which also play a large role in production.
No. So what are some of the key attributes and benefits of these tools, would you say?
So the cutting tools designed for the truck and trailer industry provide the latest in technological advancements to ensure ease of operation. Our 239 TBT precision drill has more flute clearance than our standard jabber drill to ensure smooth drilling operations through the wood floors and then through the steel frame. The Dormer B122 car reamer actually has a steam and bronze tempered surface finish to prevent chip to tool welding and aids in chip evacuation. Most people often overlook a simple hand drill or reamer, but these tools are put through some of the harshest conditions. You will really see how good your high-speed round tools perform in a high-production trailer manufacturer. And I say this humbly. There's a reason we are in the vast majority of trailer manufacturing facilities. We provide excellent performance. We keep great stock, and we will be there when you need technical advice and support.
And then can you share with us the impact on the transportation industry? What can you share with us there?
Sure. So Dormer Pramet as a whole provides a vital role in America's economy. So we provide tooling for most of the larger trailer manufacturers within the U.S., and it's detrimental that our round tools perform efficiently and effectively to keep trucks and trailers on the road.
Well, I think you've been asked enough questions. You probably need a little bit of some time, but that pretty much wraps it up. Great job, Jordan. Appreciate all the experience sharing and reflections. I appreciate you going through the product offering. There's no denying we do offer an extensive product assortment that can tackle a wide range of applications and materials. So for sure. So Jordan, any final thoughts? Promise last question. Any final thoughts on the future of Dormer Pramet in the manufacturing industry?
Well, I could say a lot. I'm very proud of this company, and Dormer Pramet is here to stay, and we will continue to be on the cutting edge of technology to provide our end users with the best tooling solutions.
Great. Well, thank you so much. I fully agree. So thank you once again, Jordan, for taking the time to share your background and experience with us and for discussing the various industries Dormer Pramet serves. To our listeners out there, thank you. I encourage you to follow us on all our social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so you can learn more about our current offerings. Oh, and if you haven't heard, and it's in the video, we'll be at IMTS this year. So be sure to stop by and say hi. Yes. So, and hopefully you've seen some of our social media posts promoting our booth as well. More to come on that. So until next time, have a great day, and remember to contact your local sales rep for all your tooling application needs. Bye-bye.
All right. We'll see you.